You're probably wondering, what exactly is torque? Well, torque measures the ability of a force to rotate an object around a pivot point. Torque depends on a force and a lever arm, and this can be broken down into 3 different parts. 1. Displacement, or in this case, the length of the lever arm. 2. The angle in which the force is being exerted. And 3. The amount of force applied to the object. The equation used to find torque from those 3 things is T, torque, equals distance times sine. Also, when you're dealing with torque and rotation, a greater distance or a longer lever arm always results in more torque. Although that might seem weird and hard to grasp, it's really pretty simple. All it means is that when you're using a tool like a wrench or a crowbar that involves rotation, it's easier to turn when you hold it further away from the pivot point or fulcrum. Let's say this baby's mom wasn't thinking straight today and decided to balance a glass of water on some unstable building blocks. And the baby leans up against the horizontal block to try and stand up. The baby exerts a force of 20 newtons straight down or perpendicular to the horizontal block, and the horizontal block happens to be 0.5 meters long. How much torque would result from this situation? Well, you would start off with your equation, torque equals force times distance times sine of the angle. However, you may cross out the angle because it's perpendicular or 90 degrees to the force. Then, you would list your givens. Force is 20 newtons, length is 0.5 meters, and you would list what you're solving for, which is torque. Then you would plug in your givens into the equation and solve for torque, and your answer should equal 10 newton meters. Now let's say that instead of 0.5 meters, the block is 2 meters long. Your equation would stay the same, and force would still be 20 newtons, however, the length would be 2 meters. And you still solve for torque. So now your equation is torque equals 20 times 2, giving you the answer of 40 newton meters, which is 4 times the original answer, just as the length is 4 times.